Hello everyone, welcome to Evotip. So in this class, we will be converting the HTML document into a PHP document. For that, I will first go inside the front-end folder and we can see one file called index.html. I will simply quickly rename it from index.html to index.php. And then we will also be renaming about services, team, and why pages. So let us rename the about page from about.html to about.php. I will be renaming services page from service.html to service.php, service.php. We will also be converting the theme file from theme.html to theme.php, and we won't be using the y.html file, rather we'll be creating some information pages. In order to check whether we can access the index.php file of the front end, we have to include it in our index.php file. So let us close all the unwanted files which you can see over here. And I will also be commenting out all the unnecessary codes that we can see here. And so let us comment it out right from here. Now, here I will let us include the file which we have just created called index.php. The index.php file is inside the frontend folder. So I have to write frontend /index.php. And now I will reload the page. Here I will write index.php. So yeah, if we just go to the front end and reload the page, we can see the CSS files, JavaScript files, and the images are not loading up properly. So this is due to the reason because the static files are also trying to pass through the index.php file. So we should prevent it from being passing it through the index.php file. Let us now check the original problem. I will click on view page source, and if I just click on the first CSS file which you can see, I can see that it is again routing through the index.php file. So this should not be the case. For that, we will have to go to index.php, and here in the index.php, we will have to tell the program that if we get any file which is CSS, JS, PNG, JPG, JPEG, GIF in nature, then we will tell the program that you should access the files directly without routing it through the index.php file. You should route it directly, alright? And then here I can see some more extensions. If I just open the CSS folder over here, I can see .map and .scss. So let us also write .map here and .scss. And then I will try to save the page. And then I will go to index.php file. And here, as we are routing this file, the CSS file through the front end, we will also check all the other images. All right, so let us now go to any image. If we can see any image over here, carousel. So this is one image called slider.img. Now, if I just reload the page, let me check if we can see the page or not. We can see the image over here, all right? And then we will go down a little bit, and I think we will see a few more images. And then we will, I can see one more image here, image1.png, then s3.png. And we will go down a little more down here, the about image, and here even we can see w1, then w2 and w3.png. And if we go down a bit more to the lower section of the code, we can see the theme images. So let us not do the theme section, and I will directly go to the footer and see if you can see some client images. This is for the client 2 and this is for the client 3. I will again be scrolling the page, and then I'm just checking where I can find the footer section, because all the JS codes we will be able to see in the footer. So here we can see this JS code, jQuery code, which is in the footer, then the bootstrap.js, then custom.js. All the files have been routed through the correct path. Now, if I just reload the page, I should be able to see the entire website in a proper working condition. We can see the pages. A few things just like the icons are not being corrected, and I think we have to do few more changes in the header section. So let me quickly scroll up to the header, and let us correct the hub icon, then the bootstrap.css. Then I can see Syrian.js, then font awesome, then responsive style. And here if I go to let me open this one, and I think this is also an image which is hero BG. So let me search that hero BG over here, which is the background. All right, so let me correct it and I will reload the page once again. So now I can see the theme which we have recently downloaded is working perfect. All right. Since we are learning the functional part of this application, so we won't be focusing much on the design as said earlier. So in the next class, we'll be linking all the pages with this project, because if I just click on about section, then we won't be able to see the about page here. Instead, the home page is showing again and again. So in the next class, we'll be doing we will be linking all the pages with this application. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel for the further updates. Thank you.